Hello people of the internet, welcome to this devlog I suppose. It's been quite a while since I've uploaded anything on my channel. I have actually worked on the game a bit, but at the moment progress isn't going very fast. I've added things here and there, but the main thing I'm working on is still the bloody lighting system. I've worked on that forever, but I just can't get it down to a reasonable level. So anyway, I've got the lighting system on. You can see it takes quite a while for blocks to appear and disappear. It's a bit better than before. Like, I've optimized it anywhere I could optimize my current system, but I'll probably just have to rework the whole system. But I did add like a couple of things. So the first thing I added is I added the crafting system. So as you can see, here are the things you can craft, and here is like the things you need to craft it. So if I want wood, I can just click that and have a bunch of that. I can also shift click and then I will craft as many as I can. So yes, that works. You can also see items now like appear on at like where the mouse is, so that's good. I don't know if I showed you guys these before last time. Oops. Yeah, it's very laggy when you move, cause you know, like the lighting system is not very good. But these are ore deposits. They just sort of spawn randomly, and you can get the ores from them. That's sort of the point of them, I suppose, because eventually like you'll be able to smelt the ores and stuff. I also added this slot. It's like an extra slot. Currently you can do everything with it. Currently I'm in developer mode, so I can just fly around and do that kind of stuff and do anything really. But if developer mode would be deactivated, then you wouldn't be able to break blocks with any slot. And that's a bit strange. How did this happen? Okay. Anyway, what I was saying is you wouldn't be able to break blocks with any slot, only with this one. And this slot would be reserved for your tool. And I kind of want to have it like Terraria, that your tool essentially is just a pickaxe and you can use it for everything, unlike in Minecraft where you have to have different tools for different things that take up like hotbar slots, which is very annoying, I think, at least. So you just have this slot for tools. Probably make a separate texture for it so that you can see. And the reason I want to have that is because, like, obviously when you're placing blocks and stuff, what happened there? Anyway, you can place the blocks, but in Minecraft it's like slow to break the blocks with the same like inventory slot, so you just automatically move over to your thingy. So that's why I don't think it's that big of a deal to not be able to break blocks with slots that aren't this one. Because I want to also use these slots for weapons, and when you're slashing around with a weapon and then you don't want to see this highlight everywhere on the blocks, because I figured that would be a bit annoying. You don't want to accidentally break blocks where you're slashing around. Slashing around, is that even a word? I don't know. But yeah, because of the freaking lighting system, my motivation for the project is a bit low, I suppose. It's quite difficult to make any progress on that. I suppose I have made quite a bit of progress since last video, now that I actually make a video on that and I realized like, oh wow, I actually fucking did something right. But still, it's like the lighting system isn't the only problem that I'm having with my game currently. There's like somewhere in my code a huge bloody data leak, and I just can't find where it's coming from. Like, God help me. Right, like if you play this game for any longer than fucking 10 minutes and you're like walking around and exploring, your RAM just goes to fucking, it fills up, man. So yeah, currently the state of this project is kind of like who knows if this project will ever see the light of day, right? Currently I can't really say anything about that. I did also add like a cool new terrain feature that I sometimes hear. So you have these mountain regions. And the cold texture looks really ugly. I'll fix that, don't worry. But yeah, currently you have like these mountain regions. And you also have like a sort of scaled down, exaggerated version of those. And that's what you're seeing now. If I can get to the top of one of these. I wonder if my recording program is even like recording this right because of how many resources my fucking game takes. Takes forever to climb up the mountains. I'll just fly. Alright. So over here you can see sort of the extreme like hills kind of thing, and over there you see like normal sort of mountain. Looks like we've got this bloody bug again. I thought I fixed it, but apparently I didn't. Look at that. Another reason why my game is fucked. Okay, well it looks like I'll have to restart this. Alrighty, so I'm back in the game. The last thing I wanted to show you guys is the improvements I made on the lighting system. So currently you see this huge cave. Oh yeah, caves, I added experimental caves. As you can see by the floating trees, they're not quite done yet. But if I would go inside of here and I would place this, you can see it looks a bit different. Might even say it looks a bit better. You can see the transition into darkness is a lot less rough like it was before. Basically what I did is the transition, or the light stage, the light levels were like lighting up a block linear based on their light level linearly. And that looked kind of bad. So now it's squared, so it's more exponential. So the fall off is basically an exponential curve, which looks a lot better, I think. It still lights up the surrounding area fine, lights up a bit less, but it looks better, so I think it's alright. Look at that. The only issue with that is that very dark, very like blocks like these, almost you can't even see them anymore. So I'll make this one a bit brighter. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this devlog, I suppose. Maybe I'll figure out a way to fix the countless problems with this game. I don't know. Who knows if this game will ever make it? We'll just see, I suppose. But yeah, that's it. Bye bye. Have a good day.